Hello, hello, and welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, I have to share this nightmare of a client experience with y'all, okay? Whew. Okay, let me get myself together because I was so upset. So I got a call from someone, and this is why I always say questions equal money when it comes to pricing. Questions equal money. And it might have been me not asking the question correctly, but the client knew what they were doing, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going through my whole spiel. Hey, thank you for calling Not Better Notary. This is Kimberly. And we're talking about, how many documents they have. So I said, how many documents do you have? She was like, 2. Okay. So she gets to my house. We do the notarization or whatever. And she pulls out the 2 documents. Okay. Then she pulls out 2 more. Oh. Then she pulls out 2 more. And I said, oh, you said you only had 2. Oh, what I was counting is 2 documents. Now, I don't know what kind of math she was doing, but I don't care where you at. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. Okay? That's 4, not 2. So I asked the client, I said, I was going to let it go. So I said, well, that's okay. When she told me, she said, I was counting this as 2. So then I got to thinking about it. And while she's still standing here now, and I was like, nah, that's not working for me. That's not working for me. After I had thought about it twice and I was kind of getting upset about it, I said, we got to change this price. So I said, yeah, since you have 4 documents, it's going to be such and such. So she knew what she had. This was not her first rodeo. And it wasn't her first time dealing with a mobile notary because she had told me her brother actually had called to get some pricing. And someone had told them 4 times what I had quoted her. 4 times. So she knew exactly what she was doing. Okay, so my point of this video is you want to make sure you ask proper screening questions, because my husband asked me, he said, Kim, what did you say when you were screening her? Because clearly something was aloof. Somebody missed something because the math wasn't mathing. So I told him what happened or whatever. He said I might need to be more specific and ask her, how many documents need to be notarized. And that's what I typically do. This particular day, I had a lot going on. And whenever I have a lot going on and I make decisions, it never goes well. Every single time. So notes and tips for yourself. Take your time when it comes to pricing. They will try to rush you, and you may be in a hurry. And if you can't price it right that second, then that means you need to tell the client, hey, I'm going to call you back. But when they get there and the price change, I always say the price change, if they change like what they bring me, rather, let's rephrase it. If they change like the number of documents, they tell me on the phone I have 2 and I arrive where they come and they have 4. Now the terms have changed. I might have quoted you $30, but now you get here, everything's out the window. It's a whole new ball game. And I usually try not to overprice too much when I do have to make a change, because they've already said in their mind, hey, I'm going to pay whatever. But some of those screening questions you want to ask is, like I already said, how many documents do you have? What type of document do you have? How many people have to sign? Are there any witnesses? And I went through all of that, and still some kind of way there was something in translation. But again, in this case, I felt my client was being slick. And the reason I felt that is because she says, oh, I was counting this as 2. And I said, oh, really? So yeah, we ain't counting it as 2. We was counting as it is. It's 4. Okay. So anyway, that being said, just double check your pricing. So for more training and tips though, check out my book, How to Price Your Services. 1, if you're unsure about pricing, check out all of our training we have at Notary Educators. Join us right now. We're doing Notary Bosses Meetup on Monday night, which is free. So we have a lot of free resources. Join our Facebook group, Notary Educators, which I'm a trainer over there. It's one our company. So check us out over there. We have all kind of training. Again, Notary Educators, LLC.com. And until next time, guys, get that money. Ask those questions. Questions equal money. Can we say it together? Questions equal money. Questions equal money. Questions equal money. All right, y'all. Well, until later, much success. Bye.